Okay, let's do some wiring. So to wire something, you just go to the end of the component, click on it, and if you look very closely there, you'll see a little crosshair comes up. That means I'm latched onto the end of the component, and I click on the end of the component, and you'll see I've got a wire attached to it now. And what I can do is I can join that wire onto another component, make sure it goes red, click, and then move the cursor away. You'll notice the wire's now red. That means it's wired up, it's connected. It recognises, the simulator recognises you made that connection. The next one, let's wire up IO3 to the other side of the resistor. Click, yep, it's gone red, it's happy. Let's wire this capacitor up to this wire here. You can see a node appears. Click, that's wired up because it's got a node. Let's wire these two together. It's not going to let me do that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete IO4 because it doesn't want me to have two of them. That doesn't matter. I'm going to wire that to there. Okay? So that's how you wire your components together. Don't worry about wire delete IO4, it's just that in the net list you can't have two nets with the same name, and that's what happens. Okay? So you got that okay? Now in multi-sim, circuits don't work unless you give them a ground. It's the way in which the software has been written, and this circuit does not yet have a ground. So we've got to find a ground. Let's go in and find one. So place, component. Now this one, from recollection, is under sources, which is the top one. Sources, and what we're looking for here is power sources, and we're just looking for ground. Okay? I'll give you a couple of goes at that. So I'm just going to put that down there, and I'm going to click away and delete it. So place, component, we're in sources, we're in power sources, and we're looking for G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Click OK. It is, but I wouldn't use that one because that's specifically for MOSFETs. You use the one that just says ground. We know that works. I'm not saying the other ones don't work, but I know that one works well. Okay, once you've got your ground onto screen, bring it up and connect it to that part of the circuit so that you end up with that. Okay? Make sure you can do that. We're only a couple of steps away from running a simulation now.